Hi guys, this is another episode of Max246 FPV. Today we're going to solder a connector XT60, which is a normal connector you find on your drone, like these ones here. So first of all, what you want to do is to grab a third hand to help you to keep the connector in place. Grab some solder and get the thicker one that you got, because it's going to make a lot of smoke, and also you need to have as much solder you can. I'm going to turn on the fan extractor, would be a bit noisy. So first of all, what you want to do is to put inside your solder iron tape inside the hole, and then slowly melt the wire inside. Make sure that it gets all melted, and you can see like a nice blob getting all together. Otherwise you're going to have a cold joint, which is not good. And you do the same one on the negative. So first of all, the solder iron down, and now you apply the solder until you see that it's melting. Make sure you don't stay too much on it, because otherwise the plastic might melt. Now I got here a piece of wire that is a 12 AWG. This is basically the thickness of the cable. Probably this one is too thick for what my drone thing needs, basically, but it's kind of like a normal average, let's say, cable. So you just need to kind of cut a bit of plastic silicone on top, and then with the help of the third hand here, you can see here, we are going to pre-tint the cable. Again, it's going to be very smoky. Don't worry if some solder drops down, but that's fine. So clean your tip, remove some excess of solder. Make sure that the negative is where it is round, but also you can see on the side here there's a minus. So first of all, with the solder tip, go there on top of that, make a bit melty, and then apply the cable on top, and then you will see that all the solder is going to melt all together, and then release, and then the joint is done. So you can pull it. Pretty steady. It's kind of like a good joint. You can do better than me. And then again, just strip this piece of wire. You put on third hand. So you get the wire, you make sure you apply the solder iron first to melt a bit of the solder, and then you apply the wire on top, and you make an even solder joint. Now, if you remove it, we try to pull, it will not be possible, because it's so, it's very hot, by the way, so don't do it straight away. So the next step is to get the heat shrink over it, so through the cables and down here. So now that the connector is cooled down, so you can touch it, it feels a bit warm, but you can actually slide this one in without actually getting shrunk while put it on. So slide it down. It's a bit very tight, this one, but that's good. So you can see here is right over all the way down. You can see here right now. Now the red one. And voila. Now I'm going to use a very back technique to shrink these pans, but just because I don't have a lighter and I don't have a heat gun, so I'm going to use my solder tape, actually just a part over here, the bottom one, to apply heat. That's it, it's done. You got your XT60 connector ready to be soldered on your drone. Of course this one can be shorted. I made it 10 centimeters, but it's up to you. Well, thank you for watching.